Hello there, good people. I hope you are doing well. Greetings to everyone. Nuno here once again today with another video. So, Apple just released uh, macOS Mojave 10.14.3. So, a few days after the final build of 10.14.2. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and show you first the raw data. I know some of you like it, some of you don't, but well, I have to do it. So you on this machine it was about 2.3 gigabytes for this developer beta 1 of this release, and the build number and the specs of this machine are here. So the build number is the 18D21C. You can pause and see the hardware that I have here in order to compare for the Geekbench, for the benchmarks that I will show you. So regarding the previous build, so the final build 10.14.2, these were the results for the multi-core and single core, and now with after a few hours, since I already edited a video regarding the new release of the iOS for the iPhone, these are the scores, so they are pretty similar. There are no issues here. So of course we have to wait, a day, 24 hours in order to see the peak performance of this machine. So these are the results. Now regarding the GPU, on the previous build, these were the results, and now they are pretty similar, a little bit higher on this new release, but then again pretty similar. So without this, take this out of the way, let's go to the if there is any new things. First I will tell you one thing: the bugs that were present on 10.14.2 and if they are still present or not. First, I've discovered one of the things that it is annoying. I like the dynamic wallpapers, and for some reason, since I have this laptop connected to a Apple LED Cinema display, when I want to go to the dynamic, okay, as you can see, I'm on the dynamic wallpaper, and then I quit, and if I go there again, as you can see, it is on still, but this only happens when I'm connected to this cinema display. Okay, on my MacBook Pro everything seems to be working okay without any issues, so I have to make reset PRAM in order to fix this perhaps. And if it is a bug and if you have the same problem, go ahead and put on the comments below. This is the first bug that I encountered on the previous build, so the final build 10.14.2, and on this beta 1 of 10.14.3 is still present. Now, one of the things that many people are asking is if the highlight on a PDF is resolved. Guys, it isn't. Sorry, I'm with the flu, so sorry about the coughing. So as you can see, it's still a very, very dark blue, guys, and I don't know why. There is very many threads about this, why Apple doesn't make this lighter color in order for us, that want to make a presentation or a keynote to our customers, to highlight and for everyone to see. So let's hope Apple fixes this, but it's still present. Now, regarding the YouTube bug that I mentioned on my previous video, let's go here to my YouTube page in order not to have any copyright issues. Let's go here to my videos. Let's go to this video that I just edited. So when I want to go to full screen, guys, everything okay, no problem whatsoever. Then there is an issue. As you can see, the full screen is hidden, and I have to go put it, and it is a huge mess, as you can see. I don't know why, but it's a huge mess with this new YouTube layout and Safari not working on this release. I hope Apple makes. I know they are releasing betas and builds, but they are not fixing the problems. My fans, for example, are kicking when watching a YouTube video, and this is not normal whatsoever. So this bug still remains. Now, regarding guys, I always like to show you this app. It is the iStats menu. Always like to show you. The memory usage is higher on this release, so I'm using almost 7 gigs of the 16 that I have available, and usually it is about, when I'm screen recording, I'm only using about 4 gigs, so this is higher. It's almost double. Okay, I don't know why, and the fans are kicking, and as you can see, I'm at 70 degrees, and I'm not doing anything, just screen recording. Now the fans are now quiet, but on Safari with YouTube they kicked. Now regarding the CPU 4%, this is the same on the same scenario. And battery usage, as always, guys, I already told you, this is a 3-year-old machine. It's a mid 2015 MacBook Pro. I only have 35 cycles when this computer is always connected in the office and outside the office, and you know, the management of the battery, even when it's connected, is very well done by Apple. So my current capacity is still higher than the design capacity on this machine. So I don't have any issues with my battery degradation. Okay, guys. Now this is what I have to tell you. There isn't anything new, but of course I will keep you updated if anything, you know, any problem, or I find anything new, I will keep you, of course, updated, and I will do a follow-up video. For now, this is all, guys. I hope you liked it, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.